In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move the taskbar back to the bottom of your screen here within Windows 10 or Windows 11. For more Windows tutorials just like this, make sure you leave a like in this video, share with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. Here's exactly how you can do this. First, go to your taskbar and right click anywhere on it. It's going to pull up these two settings right here, and yes, I know that might be a little bit hard to see, but you're going to want to select taskbar settings. In this settings window that's going to pop up, scroll down until you find the section labeled taskbar location on screen. If you can't find it, it's going to be in this taskbar behavior section. Just click on this to open it up. Find this alignment section in here, go ahead and make sure it's either on the center or the left, and then copy these exact settings. This is going to make your taskbar instantly move to the bottom of your screen. If you want to make sure it doesn't accidentally move again, just go back down to this taskbar and right click on it, and then just hit lock taskbar. But that's it. Your taskbar is successfully moved and locked. Thank you so much for watching. For more tutorials like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Have a great day.